Hello, parents. How are you today? My name is Teacher Whitney. I am happy to teach your children. This week, we are learning about animals. Animals. We are naming animals: lions, koalas, iguanas. We are doing worksheets to use our listening skills, our speaking skills, our reading skills, and our writing skills. This week, we introduce animals. Are animals gray, brown, green? Are animals strong or weak? Are animals fast or slow? We talk about organizing them in groups. They are carnivores that eat meat, or herbivores that eat plants. Are they omnivores that eat both? On Wednesday, we learned how to talk about animals that are bigger and smaller than each other. We compare. And which animal is the biggest? Which animal is the smallest? Today, Thursday, we are learning about how to talk about the past. Yesterday, I ate food. Last year, I had red shoes. We are having a lot of fun with our classes, and we are learning a lot. Thank you, parents. Goodbye.